Welcome to our feasibility study, questions and answers, part 6. Question number 16. The local video store's business increased by 12% after the movie theater raised its prices from 6 and 50 centavos to 7 pesos. Thus, relative to movie theater admissions, videos are A. Substitute goods, B. Superior goods, C. Complementary goods, or letter D. Public goods. So the answer to question number 16 is letter A. Here, we identify the relationship between two products for which one has increased demand when the other's price increases. Answer letter A is the correct answer because substitute goods are selected by a consumer based on price. When the price of one goes up, demand for the other increases. Letter B is incorrect because superior goods are those whose demand is directly influenced by income. Answer letter C is also incorrect because complementary goods are used together, and when the price of one goes up, demand for the other goes down. Answer letter D is also incorrect because a public good is one for which it is difficult to restrict use, such as a national park. Question number 17. An individual receives an income of 3,000 pesos per month and spends 2,500 pesos. An increase in income of 500 pesos per month occurs and the individual spends 2,800 pesos. The individual's marginal propensity to save is letter A, 0.2, letter B, 0.4, letter C, 0.6, letter D, 0.8. So the answer for question number 17 is letter B, 0.4. So the formula in getting the marginal propensity to save is the change in savings divided by the change in income. For our change in savings, so for our first savings, we deduct 2,500 pesos from the first income, no? So we arrive at 500 pesos. For our second savings, so we add the additional income to our first income of 3,000 pesos. So we now have a 3,500 income pesos, and it will be deducted by the new spending of 2,800 pesos. Thus, we have a second savings of 700 pesos. Therefore, our change in income is the difference between 700 pesos and 500 pesos. and that is 200 pesos. And we compute for the change in income by deducting 3,000 from 3,500. So we arrive at 0.4 marginal propensity to save. Question number 18. In any competitive market, an equal increase in both demand and supply can be expected to always A. Increase both price and market clearing quantity. Letter B. Decrease both price and market clearing quantity. Letter C. Increase market clearing quantity. Or D. Increase price only. So in question number 18, correct answer is letter C. The requirement is to describe market conditions in a competitive market when both demand and supply increase. In a competitive market, the market will always clear at the equilibrium price. If there's an equal increase in both demand and supply, the equilibrium price may increase, decrease, or remain the same. However, there will be more units sold. Answers A, B, and D are incorrect because the equilibrium price may increase, decrease, or remain the same.